Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Jobs with Anil. Here you can find latest job updates and walk-in drives. So let's see today job openings. So first hiring is from Capgemini. Capgemini is hiring for the role of software engineer. You can check, and the last date to apply is 14th January. So that will be in 5 days, and they are providing CTC of 4 to 7.5 LPA. You can check all the responsibilities and eligibility streams are BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MC, MSc, and this is for 2026 graduates. So those who are going to pass out in 2026 BE, BTech, ME, MTech, so those are eligible to apply for this drive. And let's see next. So next hiring is from Cognizant. Cognizant is also hiring for the engineering graduates Gen Z. So this is for pre-accessed hiring. So those who have already passed one exam, and this is for that candidates only. So you're going to apply, and the last date is 12th January. They're also providing 4 LPA. You can check the JD here. 2025 batch are eligible. And next hiring is from also Cognizant. Cognizant is also hiring for AE developer or engineer. The work location at Chennai, and you can check that it is for also freshers. And they're expecting the skills like Python and SQL and some cloud concepts. So if you have interested in any cloud side technology, so you can apply for this. And next hiring is from Dell. Dell hiring for software engineer for the role of QA Python automation, location at Bangalore. This is also for freshers only. And the essential skills are computer science bachelor's or master's, and with minimum 0 to 2 years of work experience. And you should be aware of any Java or C++ programming languages or any and one operating system Linux or Windows, and experience with Python scripting languages. So that's all about. If you're interested, you can apply for this. And next hiring is from Qualcomm. Qualcomm is hiring for role of associate engineer, and from BE, BTech, MTech 2024-2025, ECE communication system background, and location at Hyderabad. You can check the basic education requirements are masters or bachelors in electronic communication engineering. Guys, if you are from ECE background or any communication background, so you can apply for this. And the required mains are C or C++ programming languages they're asking. So if you are eligible for this job, so you can apply for this drive. Guys, we are doing a lot of research to find these opportunities for you. If you really found this video helpful, please like the video, and if you don't want to miss any latest job updates, so then subscribe to our channel. Thank you.